name is Neron. I'm Director of Recreation for the City of Elizabeth, and I've been now with the city for over 22 years, and I've been Director of Recreation for a year now. Historically, this has been a community park for many years, Miller Playground. Miller Playground has been a center of the community where families and children get a chance to utilize this park, have picnics, enjoy the basketball courts, and as well as enjoy the amenities that this park has. There was originally a pool here, and through various assessments and community assessments and needs assessments that were done here for this park, it was decided that spray parks would be best utilized for the safety and the opportunity for many residents to be able to enjoy the water features here of the park. As the years went on, improvements were needed because there was more needs for lights, more needs to really update some of the apparatuses in the park as far as making sure that it was safe, ADA compatible, that it met all the necessary standards when it comes to playgrounds and parks here in our community.
My name's Joe Perello. I'm a landscape architect and vice president at Suburban Consulting Engineers. The SCE design team approached this project as a very inclusive community input type of project where we had a lot of input from the city, a lot of input from the council members, the mayor, and the Park and Recreation Department, as well as the project stakeholders from the community.
The city's goal and purpose on this project was, one, to make it safe, make it a center of attraction for the residents here in this particular community. We're here located in the 5th Ward. We want it to be a destination point that would create activity for families and for youth of our community.
Unique features at Miller Park include accessibility to all the activities and also providing a perimeter pathway that links all the facilities together.
Including workout equipment for the adults and youth at the same time, and creating areas where kids and families can enjoy the park at the same time.
Other unique features are the constant repetition of the color scheme of the yellows, oranges, and blues that you see in the playgrounds, and also providing signage on the playgrounds throughout the park, at the entranceways, and at the pavilion shade structure in both English and Spanish languages, as well as the technical needs for stormwater management and reducing stormwater runoff through rain gardens and reduction of stormwater which would flow to the combined sewer outfall system. Newark Liberty International Airport is located a short distance from here, and airplanes are constantly flying overhead. The play structures have an airport theme which provide education on gate locations, measurements, and geographic locations in the United States.
A lot of great things happen in parks. Talent is discovered in parks through your athleticism, through dance. Here in this particular park we have musical apparatuses where you can create, you can have fun, and you can really discover yourself and who you are and make new friends.
My name is Malik Jackson. I'm the Superintendent of Recreation for the City of Elizabeth. I have a little bit of history about the site, being that I'm born and raised in the City of Elizabeth. I used to play in this park. The features of the park were put in a place where it was conducive for the community.
One of the challenges of putting a project like this together is making sure that you meet the needs of the entire community. Working very closely with our Mayor J. Christian Bowledge, along with the councilman of the 5th Ward, Councilman William Gallman, we got input from our community. We got input from people such as Chris Nelson, who heads an organization called Citizens Moving Forward.
Challenges that the design team had to face included site constraints such as retaining the existing trees that existed on the site. There are very large trees that provide shade and canopy and create the character for this existing park. Really designed to meet the needs of many residents in this part of the city in the 5th Ward. There are a large amount of activities in a very small site area, and making it all tied together in a unique and colorful manner, as well as complying with stormwater regulations and actually reducing runoff on this site are key components to the success of this park.
I think that the community in this area deserved it.
And we were able to launch a brand new project and a brand new park by doing a ribbon cutting ceremony during COVID-19. And somebody would say, well, why would you do that during a pandemic? Well, the residents really needed an outlet. They needed an opportunity to release. And in recreation, we coin a phrase and we hashtag recreation saves lives. We believe parks like this can save lives. At the end of the day, it was an awesome project and we were able to bring everything together and make it an all-inclusive park.